Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this app I've created, basically this app is meant for calculation. If you intend to build an inverter system, just slot in your credentials and this app will calculate it for you. So as you can see here, I've slotted in my credentials. So I want to calculate the battery size and it has given me my answer. I'm also calculating for the load estimate. So just slot in your credentials and it will calculate for you. So as you can see here, the total running load is still adding up. It's still adding up. So after the add up, everything will be seen at the total part. I mean, the place where you see all the load you've added and the total load that is there. So you add up all your load here, it calculates for you. This is 3,520 watts. So in this segment, you add your solar panel variables. So you add your solar panel voltage, you add your solar panel current, you add your inverter apparent power, that is the rating in kVA. So in this scenario, we are using 7.5 kVA. You put in your power factor, then you put in your connection, the connection of your solar panel in series and parallel. So this is 6 series and 2 parallel. So put all the credentials and the app will calculate for you. That is the calculation right there. Yes, that's the calculation right there. So this is the next session of the app. So we'll be calculating for MPPT solar panel charging. So if you want to calculate the numbers of hours that your solar panel will be able to charge your battery, so this is the session where you will be able to calculate this. So you slot in all your variables. So you slot in all your correct variables and make sure these variables are correct variables so that you can get accurate answer. And always put your MPPT efficiency at 80. Yes, always put it at 80 to 90 is still okay. Then always put in your maximum charge controller power. It is very important. If you do not put it, the app will not calculate it. So as this is the answer here, as you can see, to tell you the compatibility and everything you need to know. The next part is constructing battery bank. So the first part of the app, the first part of this session is talking about LiFePO₄. So you slot in your variables. It will tell you all you need to know. To tell you all you need to know. So this is lithium also. You slot in your variables. You select the size of the pack you want to do. Is it 3s, 4s, 5x, 6s, 7s, and you put in the numbers in parallel. You put in the load. You put in the depth of discharge, and you can also put in the hours. Yes, you put the hours there, so it will calculate for you. Also it will tell you if it is compatible or not. We also have for lead acid also. You put in your details and it will also calculate for you. It will tell you if it is compatible or not. So if you want to calculate your lithium battery power, like you want to calculate the hours it will use on load, so this session will also help you to do that. After filling everything, this is the calculation here. So let's move to the other part. This part of the app shows you how to design your own battery pack. So you slot in the credentials. This is for lithium-ion. So I'm doing for 7x. Then I'm using 30 pieces in parallel. So slot in your credentials. Yes, just slot in everything. So this app will give you the design of the battery. Yes, slot in all the credentials needed. So just make sure all the credentials are very correct so that you have a better result. Once you slot in all the credentials, the app will automatically calculate for you. And don't also forget the maximum and the minimum charge controller voltage. Supply the adequate answer so that your calculation will be accurate. And don't forget to press the calculate system. So you can see that is our answer there, and you can see the connection of the battery under. You can see the connection of the battery under. You can see the connection of the battery under. So it is very easy to use. This app is very easy to use. Yes, very easy to use. It will tell you everything you need to know. So let's slot in our LiFePO₄ credentials also. So slot in your LiFePO₄ credentials, it will also calculate for you. So we are using 4 series 1 parallel here, that is 4 pieces. So you put in your current capacity, you slot in all the credentials. So let's wait for the results. Make sure you put in the correct variables. So once you supply the necessary variables and it is correct, you always have adequate results, you always have correct results. So we are waiting for that. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have top-notch videos on renewable energy. So we are still waiting for the app to calculate the system, and let's see how it looks like. So this is the results, and this is the battery. You can see that is the connection of the battery. You can see how easy it is. So let's go to the last part. So solar panel calculator. So just slot in your credentials, it will calculate for you. It is very easy to use, and you get correct results. Yes, you get correct results. It's very easy to use, very easy to use. So let's wait till the calculation is done. Yes, let's wait till the calculation is done. So here you need to select the type of battery. So we are putting in lithium-ion battery. So you put in your load also. The load is very important, so you can see, and you can see the connection of the solar panel is also there also. So the link to download this app is below this video. Kindly click that link to download this app.